Hi guys, welcome back to my tutorial. In this tutorial I just want to share with us an experience that I had today. It's been a difficult time trying to import an SQL file into a new database I'm working on, but for the purpose of this demonstration I had to create a new database called demo, and permits me to try to now you see here the max file size here is 128 meg. Now I have taken time to resolve that, to change it to something like 500 or more. I've done several research. I combed the entire Google today. I had a number of stuff done, like if you even check my PHP stuff here, I even changed all of this. Max execution time to 3000, max input time to 3000, max input variable 2005, memory limit 512 meg, post max I even changed that to 1280, and then upload 1280 again, but I still could not upload my file. Now as you can see, this is 128. Now if I try to upload my file, my SQL file, okay, let me just do here, trying to upload it. Now guess the error you see. Bam, that's the error I've been seeing all through today. Let me zoom my my browser. I don't know why I can't use my keyboard to do that. Now you see, you probably try to upload a file that is too large. Okay, that is the issue I've been having. And if I go back here, you see that the upload max size is the upload max size here is can't go down. Okay, let's do enough of it. Okay, let's click on import. As you can see here is 128 meg, right? 128. So what do? I went to YouTube, no, I went to Google, did everything, increased PHP file import, I got quite a number of helps, you know. I did all that, but I just couldn't until I stumbled to this page. Let me zoom it again, so forgive me. Maybe I have to put this link at the description, so in case. Now this guy here had an issue. He tried to import 1 gig of SQL file and had the same issue. Now this was able to resolve it for him, but it couldn't resolve it for me, right? I tried this, it didn't resolve it for me. Rather, it's helped on this side on my PHP settings. I'll show you here, but it didn't change the max upload here. But I still went down to this other guy here, this other support here, and he now said we should look at I say I now because it's my case now. We should look at this URL, specifically this file. Okay, so I went to my notepad, notepad++, and called up the file, and here it is here. Okay, now note the URL. Okay, note the URL. I open it up again. This is oh, what key do I use now for this? Okay, now note it. This represents your WAMP directory, the WAMP folder, and in there, in your WAMP folder, use not your www folder, your WAMP folder. Okay, then your alias. Inside the alias, you see this file. Okay, you see this file. So you open it as I've opened mine here, and I saw this. As you can see, this is 128 meg, the same the same size with this. Okay, sorry, I'm not trying to upload yet. So what I simply did was increase it to 1280 meg, then here 1280 meg, then I change this from 360 to 1800, then this one too I change it to 1800. I saved the file, then went back to my WAMP and then restarted all services. Okay, so let's just give some time to restart. It's restarting. In less than a few seconds it should be done. Bam, it's done, right? Remember, we had 128 here, 128 here, 360 here, but we've changed all of this. Please note, these are the only things I changed. I didn't make any changes on this other side, because that is exactly what this guy suggested here, although he didn't include the last one, but he changed all of it. Okay, so this was where I took my values from. Now let's go back to my phpmyadmin. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of click on this again, and bam, you see that it's now 1208 meg. Okay, so let's try now to import and see if that error will show again. Okay, it's going to take a while because the file is quite a big large, but it worked for me and I believe it should work for you. Okay, it worked for me, so it should work for you. So try it out. Do your checkout, do other tests. If others do not work for you, this certainly will work for you. Now if you change this file here and you have issues with your other issues, PHP files, PHP issues as well, I'll suggest you come here to PHP settings and then make other changes. Once you click on choose, the system will pop up and give you the opportunity to make your changes. You just point your folder to end of this. I don't want to do that because my file is uploading, so if I click on this now, it's going to interrupt that. So just click on this. If you don't want to choose any of this, click on choice, enter the value you want, and then that's it. The system will make the changes for you. Okay, so I'm sure this has helped someone out there, and if it did, please don't forget to give me a thumb up, and if possible as well, subscribe. Thank you and remain blessed.